Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Turkey. Now, Turkey has been recently facing a lot of problems. It has had troubles with the US, and US has put in restrictions on Turkey. It is in the FATF, the Financial Action Task Force, has put Turkey into the gray list very recently. So we're going to talk about what are the woes that Turkey is facing, and what are the implications of that to the investors who are looking to either invest in Turkey now or in the future. So all of that is coming in this video today. Before we dive in, as usual, my request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, I have an ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. So the ebook starts with talking about my preparation before I jumped into the world of entrepreneurship. It talks about the challenges I faced as an entrepreneur, and it also talks about how I overcame those challenges. Now, I reckon a lot of you would be looking to becoming an entrepreneur soon or maybe in the future. So with all you guys in mind, I put down 3 worksheets. Now, these worksheets are essentially meant to help you guide or give you a sense in terms of how prepared you are to becoming an entrepreneur. Now, there are questions in this ebook which you would answer, and you get certain points, and towards the end you would know where you stand. I have also scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would know how much I scored, and you will also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US, North American markets. Now, the coolest thing is this ebook comes to you for free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. Click on it. So I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's talk about the woes that Turkey is having. So since August 1, the Turkish Lira has depreciated by around 20%, making it the second worst performing emerging currency after Argentinian peso. As per the last estimates, it has accumulated depreciation amounts to approximately 40%, again second only to Argentine peso. The interest rate on 10-year bonds has also risen by about 900 BPS since the start of the year, bringing it to 20.3%. In short, we are witnessing a fully fledged foreign exchange crisis with an uncertain outcome. Now, what are the implications of all of that for investors? So, on the surface, this selling frenzy of the Turkish currency in recent months appear to have been triggered by a diplomatic escalation between the US and Turkey. The US announced the establishment of tariffs on steel and aluminum imported from Turkey. So they have put in restrictions, embargo on import of steel and aluminum from Turkey. Now, Turkey has to simultaneously confront strong pressures on both the real and financial sectors of the economy. First and foremost, the current situation with a de facto sudden stop of capital flows is going to lead to an inevitable adjustment in economic activity. The slowdown seen in Q2 of this year when growth stood at 5.2% compared to 7.3% in Q1, can only be the prelude to a greater economic weakness, which is yet to come in the future. This loss of momentum will be accompanied by the maintenance of double-digit inflation over the coming quarters. So obviously, the restrictions, the embargo, the FATF, grey listing, and all of that has created a lot of problems for Turkey. The lira has come down. The growth is also declining. Hence, the economic activity is very, very weak, and there is restriction of foreign investment into Turkey. So the latest orthodox option. So what are the options that it has? So we'll try and talk about it. The least orthodox option, and the one with the highest risk of providing insufficient and perhaps even counterproductive, is to establish capital controls. Now that is something that I don't know whether the government of Turkey would really want to do it. But it will obviously provide more problems for it can be counterproductive for the economy of Turkey. So the most conventional option would be to extend the adjustment program, combining a fiscal adjustment with the tightening of the monetary policy. So with no funds coming in, they need to regenerate, revigor the economy internally. So basically, they will have to create a more efficient monetary policy, so that people would spend more, and that's how the more economic activity or circulation happens. In the absence of the IMF funding, the adjustment could end up being less gradual and more intense, very obvious. Turkey, in short, has virtually run out of time and is left with very little margin to react. The match is far from lost, but stoppage time is almost over, and a way out must be found urgently. So as a summary, if you're an investor and if you're looking to invest in, please stay away from Turkey at this point in time. I don't think you can even go ahead and do a direct investment because there are restrictions that the US has put in place. FATF is watching as an oversight on Turkey and has laid down certain criteria or certain points that they must abide to so that they are able to come out of the gray list. So I would imagine that you stay away from. If you are an investor, you should stay away from investing in Turkey. I will also direct you to a video that I did on FATF and what FATF has been talking about. So I'll put that link to that video in the card above. Go take a look at it. You will get a sense on what are the aspects that FATF essentially looks at. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. If you want to know more about me, I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, take a look at my profile. If you like it, send me an invite on LinkedIn. As a profession, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me in the contact page of my website, the URL of which I will be putting down in the description box below. Then we can communicate and see how we can work together, how I can help you guys. So finally, before I go, my final request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please comment on my videos, please smash that notification bell, and please share my videos. So until next time, you must take care of yourself, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.